Training and Academic Office organizes advanced courses at the CAG, and the EMBO Targeted Proteomics is our most international and longest-standing course.
It has been great to meet the experts in the field year after year, and this has allowed us to implement the last advances in our unit.
Targeted proteomics is becoming increasingly important to enable drug discovery in industry, and this EMBO Targeted Proteomics course provides essential advanced training to really support scientists to deploy and innovate with these methods.
The Skyline Targeted Proteomics software represents visibility, flexibility, transparency, and vendor-neutral analysis of your data.
As a course manager, I have invested a lot of time ensuring high-quality course delivery. I work closely with the scientific organizers because we are aware of its importance at a global level.
The course had a great balance between theoretical foundations and practical exercises and takes you all the way from experimental design to the statistical inference of biologically relevant results, and can only be recommended.
It's a great chance for us to network, to discuss our own work and to get feedback on how to implement what we have learned on our own projects.
We are very thankful to EMBO for its continuous support during the last 10 years to organize the EMBO Practical Course on Targeted Proteomics, and we are very, very proud for having contributed in such a significant way to EMBO mission on excellent scientific training.